Welcome back to 12.5 Tech. In today's tutorial, we are going to set up a high-speed OpenVPN tunnel inside HTTP CUSTOM using free global servers from VPN Jantit. OpenVPN provides industry-standard security, robust encryption, and reliable connectivity to bypass network restrictions with ease. Make sure to follow each step closely, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to 12.5 Tech so you never miss our latest VPN and networking tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your browser and access VPN Jantit. First, open your mobile web browser such as Google Chrome. In the search bar, type VPN Jantit and hit search. Look for the official website at VPN Jantit. Come and tap on it to enter the server portal. Step 2. Navigate to free OpenVPN servers. Once on the home page, tap the menu button in the top right corner. Select Free VPN from the menu options, and then scroll down to choose Free OpenVPN. This will load the list of available server countries and regions. Step 3. Choose your server location. Browse through the available global locations. For this tutorial, we will select the United Arab Emirates UAE server list. Choose the 7-day server option, such as UAE 1 or Singapore, for maximum speed and uptime. Tap the Create Username OpenVPN button. Step 4. Create your account credentials. On the account registration form, enter your desired username and choose a secure password. Complete the reCAPTCHA verification to prove you are human and tap the Create Username button. Wait a few seconds while the server provisions your account. Step 5. Download the OpenVPN configuration files. Once your server is generated, you will see your account details and download links. Download both the UDP config on port 2500 and the TCP config on port 2500, one to your device. Keep your username and password saved, as we will need them in the app. Step 6. Install and launch HTTP CUSTOM. Now, exit your browser and open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, search for HTTP CUSTOM AIO Tunnel VPN by Easy Pro. Make sure you have the latest version installed or updated, and then tap Open to launch the application. Step 7. Switch protocol to OpenVPN mode. On the HTTP CUSTOM main dashboard, tap the Main Connection drop-down selector. From the available protocol options, select OpenVPN. Then tap the View button or open the side menu to access the OpenVPN configuration panel. Step 8. Import the downloaded ovpn file. In the OpenVPN settings screen, tap the 3 dots icon in the top right corner. Select Import ovpn file from the drop-down menu. Navigate to your Downloads folder and select the downloaded OpenVPN configuration file. HTTP CUSTOM will automatically parse and import all server parameters, remote ports, and security certificates. Step 9. Explore Payload and custom proxy options. Inside the OpenVPN editor, you will see options to toggle custom payloads, TLS payloads, or slow DNS tunnels if your network requires custom SNI bug hosts or proxy settings. For direct tunneling, keep direct mode enabled. Step 10. Save config to profile. Tap the plus floating action button at the bottom of the screen. Select Add to Profile from the menu. Name your configuration OpenVPN and tap Save to store it securely in your app storage. Step 11. Connect to OpenVPN tunnel. Return to the main dashboard of HTTP CUSTOM. Verify that OpenVPN mode is selected and tap the large circular Connect button. When the Android system prompts you for VPN permission, tap Allow to initiate the connection. Step 12. Verify connection status and live logs. Open the Log tab to monitor the live handshake. You will see HTTP CUSTOM initialize the OpenVPN core, resolve the server hostname, and establish the encrypted tunnel. Once connected, your device will enjoy secure, unrestricted high-speed internet access. That wraps up our full guide on configuring OpenVPN with HTTP CUSTOM and VPN Jantit. If this video helped you, please hit that like button, subscribe to 12.5 Tech, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.